crochet this daisy, I'm going to use soft and shiny yarn. This is Loops and Threads found at Michael's. It is a 4 weight. The yellow is just called yellow and the white is called white. Also going to use a 4.5mm crochet hook. It's our magic circle, and we're going to put 6 single crochet in there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In each single crochet around, you're going to put 2 single crochet. It's my last one, so 11, 12. So in our next round, and I'm not going to mark it with a stitch marker because we don't have very far to go. So we're going to do 18. We're going to go up to 18. In our first one, it's a single crochet. And in our second one, we'll put 2. So it's 1, 2, 3. So that was 2 in our second one. So that's 3. 1 in our next one is 4. Then 2 in our next one. 5, 6. 1 in this one is 7. 2 here, it's 8, 9. 1 in here is 10. 2 in here is 11, 12. 13. 2 in here is 14, 15, always in multiples of 3 at the end of our increase. So it's 15, 16, and 2 in our last one is 17 and 18. One last round and bring us up to 24. So this time we're going to do in our first 2, 1. So 1 in our first one. 1 in our second one is 2. Then we're going to do 2 in this one. So that's 3, 4. 1 in here is 5. 1 in here is 6. 2 in here. So that's 7 and 8. So we'll keep going until we get up to 24. It's my last one here. 22. And 2 in this one is 23, 24. Let's go to your next stitch over, and we're going to slip stitch, fasten off. So the center of our daisy is complete. Take our white can start anywhere. Just go through a single crochet. So bring a loop down, and we're going to do a single crochet in there, chain one, single crochet in our next stitch, next single crochet, and single crochet again in our next one. So our starting one, we did a single crochet, chain one, we did a single crochet, and in our third one we've done a single crochet. Now we're going to chain 5. And we're going to come down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do a single crochet in there, our 4th chain from the hook. And in our 5th chain from the hook, so below that one, another single crochet. Crochet back down in the same stitch where you started. So we have a little bump sticking up there. Single crochet in our next yellow single crochet. Chain 1, single crochet in our next one. Single crochet in our next one. We're going to do our chain 5 again. Fourth chain down, we're going to do a single crochet. 5th one, a single crochet. Single crochet into the same space. Single crochet in our next yellow single crochet. Chain 1, single crochet, and our next one is single crochet. Here we're going to do a chain 5 again. So we're going to come down 4 chains from our hook. We're going to do a single crochet, a single crochet in our 5th one, single crochet back in the same space. I'm going to be continuing that pattern all the way around. Okay, I'm just finishing my last one here. So slip, single crochet in the same space. And we're going to come over to our beginning one, and we're going to single crochet. Sorry, we're going to slip stitch into that one. Okay, so now we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces sticking out. So now we're going to build up our petals. We should have our chain 1 space right here, and we're just going to slip stitch in there. Then we're going to come over to our single crochet on the side. We're going to do a half double crochet in there, in that first one. And in the same space, we're going to do a double crochet. And we're going to find our next single crochet, and we're going to do 2 double crochet in that space. And in the top we should have a little loop from where we bent our chain back. and in there we're going to do 4 double crochets. So there should be a little space up there from where we bent that chain 5 back and we went into the 4th chain. So we're going to do 4 double crochets in there. Coming down this side, we have the 2 single crochets again. So we're going to do 2 double crochet in that first one. And then in our second one, we're going to do a double crochet and a half double crochet. So that's one of our petals complete. So our chain 1 space, we're going to slip stitch into it. So our pattern again is in our first single crochet, do a half double crochet, double crochet, in our next single crochet we're going to do 2 double crochet, in our chain space we're going to do 4 double crochet. Then in our first in our first single crochet, we're going to put 2 double crochet. And in the next one, we'll do a double crochet and a half double crochet. And then we'll slip stitch in the chain 1 space. And continue that around with all of your petals. So when you've done your last petal and you slip stitch into the last chain 1 space, then you can just weave your ends in, weave them in through the back, and that's it, you're finished. You can use it on a hat like this. I think it looks really cute. When I sewed this one on, I just sewed below the yellow. You can't really see because I used yellow on yellow. And then the petals were left loose. If you want, you could sew the whole thing flat, your choice. But I hope you enjoyed making this cute little daisy. Have a great day and happy crocheting!